Looking for a reliable solution to meet the demands of your PVF distribution business? Meet the high-quality gate valve from Merit Brass. Designed to ASME ANSI B16.34 standards and tested to API 598, this valve with its high quality delivers performance. Engineered for performance with API 598 testing, this gate valve supports a 200 psi working pressure at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability, reducing downtime and maintenance costs for your operations. Whether you're supplying industrial or commercial projects, this valve offers the consistency and quality your customers expect. As a wholesale distributor, you need products that streamline your supply chain. This gate valve helps you meet demand efficiently. Benefit from competitive pricing, ready availability, and the trusted Merit brand that enhances your inventory value. Upgrade your offerings with a valve that combines precision engineering with proven reliability. Visit meritbrass.com or call us at 800-726-9800 to learn how Merit Brass can support your success. Trust the valve that works as hard as you do.